Ojai, California. This is Jerry Rous, the owner of Jerry Rous Plumbing, and we're doing a reverse pull from the city main. And we lined this pipe from the city main to the property line. You can see the liner in there. There's a lot of water going through there because we had the water off all day, so now all the tenants are using the water. We could see the liner. Ojai Valley Sanitary came out and inspected it. So the liner gets rid of all the roots. Creates like just one piece of pipe. It's a pretty long liner actually. And we should be, let's see, another couple feet will come up on the property line here. Okay, so then right here's the transition. You can see we're going from the liner to the plastic, and there's our test Y. Okay, I'm going to pull the camera out. There's our clean out. And here's the property. And we're still working on it. And that concludes our inspection. Thank you for watching.